Check this out. I can translate every single text in my video into multiple languages in one click, automatically, directly inside Premiere Pro. That's BLINKL Project Translator. But first, you're gonna need BLINKL.io, the GTA weapon wheel, but literally inside Premiere Pro. If you haven't installed it yet, link's in the description, and the weapon wheel is free. Alright, let's go. Open your ring. Control plus right click or your custom hotkey. Click the BLINKL icon in the middle and select the Project Translator extension right here. Let's start with text detection. Let's go. So here you choose what you want to translate. The source text from your essential graphics and text layers on your timeline, your MoGRTs, and even your native Premiere subtitles. You can genuinely translate every single text on your timeline. All three are checked by default, but you can uncheck whatever you don't want to touch. Now click Detect Texts, and BLINKL scans your entire sequence in like 2 seconds. Okay, there we go. Now every detected text shows up in a table. Here, for example, 82 strings detected at once. Now you pick the languages you want to translate into. Just click the little plus right here and search through 150 plus available languages. I'm grabbing Spanish and French, but you can add as many as you want all at once. Right before you translate, up here, if you want to fine-tune it, there's the translation context field. You can set the tone you want, keep your brand names untouched, match your subtitle length, or switch straight to a more casual tone. It's kinda essential for making the translation actually sound like you. Once you're ready, click Translate All, and in a few seconds, all your languages get translated at once, string by string. You can review every line, tweak a translation if needed, and even lock a language so it doesn't get overwritten later. And to finish, one click on Create Timelines, and boom, BLINKL generates a full timeline per language right inside your project, ready to export, no joke. That's BLINKL Project Translator. Perfect if you're posting your YouTube videos or shorts in multiple countries. You're honestly saving hours of translation and editing. Install BLINKL for free, links in the description. Subscribe, next one's coming soon.